Portugal is calling. Sun-kissed beaches meet vibrant cities. Rich history blends with modern life. And nestled within this idyllic setting lies a fantastic opportunity, the Portugal Job Seeker Visa 2025. This visa is your ticket to a rewarding career and an enriching life in one of Europe's most captivating countries. Whether you're drawn to the bustling streets of Lisbon or the tranquility of the Algarve, Portugal welcomes you with open arms. But Portugal's appeal goes beyond its beauty. It boasts a strong economy, a high quality of life, and a warm, welcoming culture. For skilled professionals, particularly in the healthcare sector, Portugal presents a unique opportunity to thrive. If you're a nurse or caregiver seeking new horizons, the Portugal Job Seeker Visa 2025 could be your path to a brighter future. So, what exactly is the Portugal Job Seeker Visa 2025? It's a special visa designed to attract skilled workers to Portugal. With this visa, you can live and work in Portugal for up to 12 months while you secure a job. That's right, you can come to Portugal, explore its charming towns and cities, and experience the Portuguese lifestyle firsthand as you search for your dream job. But the benefits don't stop there. Once you find employment, the Job Seeker Visa can be converted into a residence permit, allowing you to live and work in Portugal long-term. This opens up a world of possibilities. Imagine yourself strolling along the beaches of the Algarve after a fulfilling day at work, or exploring the historic castles and vineyards of the Douro Valley on the weekends. With the Portugal Job Seeker Visa 2025, this dream can become your reality. Now let's talk about why Portugal is a particularly attractive destination for nurses and caregivers. Portugal has a rapidly aging population, which means there's a high demand for skilled healthcare professionals. Hospitals, clinics, and nursing homes across the country are actively seeking qualified nurses and caregivers to join their ranks. And here's the good news. Salaries for nurses and caregivers in Portugal are competitive, especially when compared to other southern European countries. While the exact salary will depend on your experience and qualifications, you can expect to earn a comfortable living that allows you to enjoy all that Portugal has to offer. Plus, many healthcare institutions offer benefits such as health insurance, paid time off, and professional development opportunities. So, you'll not only be making a difference in people's lives, but also investing in your own future. Finding a job in a new country can seem daunting, but fear not. Portugal has a robust online job market with numerous websites dedicated to connecting job seekers with employers. These websites are your best bet for finding nursing and caregiving jobs in Portugal without having to go through any middlemen. One such website is Name of a popular Portuguese job website. This platform features a wide range of healthcare jobs, including positions for nurses, caregivers, and other medical professionals. Another excellent resource is Name of another reputable Portuguese job website. This website is known for its user-friendly interface and its extensive database of job listings across various sectors, including healthcare. By creating profiles on these websites and regularly checking for new postings, you'll be well on your way to finding your ideal job in Portugal. Section 5. Crafting your key to success. The ATS-Friendly CV. Now, let's talk about a crucial element of your job search, your CV. In today's digital age, most employers use applicant tracking systems, or ATS, to sort through applications. These systems scan CVs for specific keywords and phrases to identify qualified candidates. That's why it's essential to have an ATS-friendly CV that highlights your skills and experience in a way that these systems can easily recognize. So, how do you create an ATS-friendly CV? Firstly, use clear and concise language, avoiding any jargon or overly complex sentence structures. Secondly, tailor your CV to each job description, using keywords that match the specific requirements and responsibilities outlined in the posting. For instance, if a job description mentions patient care and medication administration, make sure your CV prominently features these keywords. Lastly, format your CV in a clean and organized manner, using bullet points and headings to make it easy for both ATS and human recruiters to read. Remember, your CV is your first impression, so make it count. Section 6. Unlocking the door, the visa application process. Now that you're familiar with the job market and how to craft a stellar CV, let's delve into the visa application process, the process for the Portugal job seeker. Visa 2025 is relatively straightforward, but it's important to gather all the necessary documents and follow the instructions carefully. The first step is to contact the Portuguese embassy or consulate in your home country to inquire about the specific requirements and procedures. Generally, you'll need to provide a valid passport, proof of financial means to support yourself during your stay in Portugal, a clean criminal record certificate, and a detailed CV. You may also be required to provide proof of accommodation in Portugal and a return flight ticket. Once you've gathered all the necessary documents, you can submit your application online or in person at the Portuguese embassy or consulate. The processing time for the visa can vary, so it's advisable to apply well in advance of your intended travel date. Section 7. Support and Guidance Mentorship Programs. Navigating a new country and a new job market can be challenging, but you don't have to do it alone. Many organizations and online platforms offer mentorship programs specifically designed to support individuals relocating to Portugal for work. These programs connect you with experienced mentors who can provide invaluable guidance and support throughout your journey. These mentors can answer your questions about the job market, the visa process, and life in Portugal in general. They can also help you network with other professionals in your field and provide insights into the Portuguese work culture. Having a mentor by your side can make your transition to Portugal much smoother and more enjoyable. So be sure to explore the mentorship programs available and find one that aligns with your needs and goals. Section 8. Your Portuguese journey begins now. As we've explored, the Portugal Job Seeker Visa 2025 presents a golden opportunity for nurses and caregivers to embark on a rewarding career and a fulfilling life in one of Europe's most enchanting destinations. With its beautiful landscapes, welcoming culture, and thriving healthcare sector, Portugal has much to offer those seeking new horizons. The journey may seem daunting at first, but remember, every journey begins with a single step. Start by researching the job market, crafting your ATS-Friendly CV, and gathering the necessary documents for your visa application. Don't hesitate to seek support from mentorship programs and connect with other professionals in your field. With determination, preparation, and a dash of Portuguese sunshine, your dream of working in Portugal can become a beautiful reality. So take that first step today and let your Portuguese adventure begin.